If you're looking for a way to download historical videos, text messages, images from a Telegram group, which you just entered today and missed out on all the action, Historygram, the software, might be for you because it does exactly that. It allows you to decide which files you want to download or just download everything. It's very easy. All you do is download it, set your preferences, pick a group and start. Let me just demonstrate it right now for you how simple it is to use. All you do is click on select a group, choose a group that you're in, select any group that you're in. I'm just going to choose the test group that I created for this purpose. And that's all. Now you can choose which media you want to download or just leave it as all. Click start download and it will literally go and take all the way from the first file to the latest file. That's as simple as I can make this video for you to show you this unbelievable software that will just get you all of the historical data that you probably missed out on that you need. So this was Historygram. To find it, there's a link in the description, or go to solations.com, or you can go to Historygram, spelled like this, .lovable.app. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.